Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of our 2019 Renault Clio Iconic. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of just 8, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 34,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Mercury Grey and looks in great condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you can see you've got the nice clean interior. Once I open it, the seats on the Renaults are always really comfy and supportive. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car has air conditioning as well as cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you have the electric mirror and front window controls. As we open the rear doors, clever hidden door handles, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have pockets in the back of the front seats as well as a cup holder there in the centre. And as we open the tailgate on the Clio, you've got a nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit there as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and then also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.